Good morning. Today we are going to learn delete by ID from query methods of JPA. So from the Spring starter we have JPA. So this JPA data provides few functions which are readily available to perform CRUD operations: create, read, update, delete. So typically these JPA methods can be categorized three parts: finder methods, query methods, native methods. You can perform operations by finder method, query, or native. But currently we are exploring finder methods. If you look at this basic CRUD operations, which are inherited from CRUD repository or JPA repository. If you open CRUD repository or JPA repository, you have all these functions readily available, which we are going to use. In this video, we are going to explore delete by ID. If you pass a entity ID or a ID, the record will be deleted. Let's look at the example. If you look at company table has four rows. One for Google, two for Amazon, three for Microsoft, four for Facebook. If I pass one, Google should be deleted. If I pass two, the row Amazon should be deleted. Let's create a project and implement the code. Delete by ID. Example is the project name. Should be Java Maven 21. So 21. Next, DevTools, which is kind of optional. I am dealing with MySQL, so MySQL database driver is important, and JPA. We are using JPA dependency starter. Let me add database details, save, and run the basic application. Yeah, it's connected to the database, no issues. Let's create some packages. Repository. Service entity. Let's create an entity. If you look at here, ID and company name, attribute name should be matching. Company will be entity from persistence private. Let's create an entity. So entity name should be company, and ID and company name or column names should be same. Company, entity, private int should be long. company name. So if you say ID, means we are targeting the ID as primary key column. Next, create a repository. Repo. Extends, yeah, CrudRepository. Then service. Public void delete by ID. Okay. So I'm implementing this guy. Perfect. So I need to implement. So what I will do, we need this guy. Yeah. So private company repo will be auto wiring. Okay, we have to mark this as service. This as a repository, so that Spring Boot convert or treat this component as repository, this one as service, this one as service implementation. So what I will do, delete by ID. We should be passing the ID. Belong. So okay, so what we'll do, let's get the context. So get the context, then get the bin. So we should be having this bin implementation. The bin that we should call the method. So this is our implementation. From main method, I'm getting a context. From context, I'm getting bin, means I'm getting this guy. On the top of that, I call it this method. I'm passing ID value. So this will be executed, and this will be executed on the top of this repo interface. Let's see how it's going to work. So see, one Google is available. Let's run this application. Okay, deleted. Okay, so let's run this guy. Deleted one. And also you see the query, delete from company where ID equal. So you see queries are generated and displayed here because of this thing, JPA show SQL true. So but anyway, so one is deleted. Let's cross check. One is gone. Say 2. So means Amazon should be removed. Deleted 2. is gone. Say 5. We do not have 5. It should throw error. Okay, it's trying to delete 5, but it's not available here. So it's not throwing error because, let's see. Okay, it's trying to get the 5. 5 is not available, it's not deleting. See, will it delete from company. Where ID equal to 5. So it's not throwing error, but 0 rows affected. Same thing here. Trying to delete 5, but nothing is happening. I should check if the records are available or not. So for that we should use isExist. Let's check a particular record is exist or not before deleting. If the row is available, delete it. Otherwise, do not delete. So what I will do, I say condition delete else won't delete. So this thing. If is exist by ID, okay. Then it is not successful. Not found. Okay. So if the row is available, delete it. If not, throw a message. So we are trying to set the file. See, delete is not successful. File is not found.